7. 6, 7. 6, 7.
I heard that online. It's circulating around social media from TikTok, Facebook, and I believe it's all about
welcome to another episode of Sa Iyo Lang. And for today's special episode, we're taking you inside the second Partner Summit here at Enverga University, Casa Segunda. Enverga University celebrates its meaningful collaborations with our corporate and LGU partners. And now we'll be interviewing some of our valued partners. Let's go!
I'm Melvin Rada. I'm the City Environment and Natural Resources Officer of Tayabas City.
I'm Miss Candy Coloma, the South Luzon Ecosystem Head of Wadwani Foundation.
So, hello, magandang buhay. I am John Paul Reyes Piezas under the CCPP or Cruise Preparatory Program under Magsaysay. And on behalf of Sir Marvin Lingad, we are sent here to attend this momentous occasion of our school before.
From Universal Romina Corporation Car Division, and I am grad spons from HR. So I'm the HR business partner.
Now let's talk about your journey with MSCUF. Do you have any success story or milestone that you have achieved through this partnership?
Nagsimula siya nung kasama namin sa isang meeting yung si Dr. Vergara from MSCUF, meeting sa DNR. Then kwento-kwento kami, nakita niya yung program ng Tayabas City with regards to environment. Then doon nagsimula, pinag-usapan namin hanggang sa parang magandang mag-OJT yung mga bata sa inyo kasi maganda yung mga programs yung for the environment. Sabi ko, yes sir, kailangan natin ang mga young minds saka yung mga fresh na mga scientists or citizen science. Mas ma-expose natin sa totoong buhay pagdating sa field. At marami silang matutunan sa labas, lalo na sa mga fieldwork tsaka sa mga laboratories. So far, nakakadalawang batch ng OJTs. Masaya ako kasi feeling ko nag-enjoy naman sila, naging masaya sila. Doon sa exit conference namin, tuwang-tuwa sila kasi na-expose sila sa iba't ibang environment. Sabi nila, lagi kaming nasa laboratory. Hindi namin na-experience yung outside world na talagang maglalakad kami ng malayo, papasok kami ng kuweba, hawak kami ng mga snakes, ng mga plants, ng mga bats. Natuwa sila. Sabi ko, sige, sana maging venue to para makita nyo kung saan kayo magiging masaya. Sa wildlife ba? Sa medicine? Or sa laboratory? Kasi kailangan masaya ka sa ginagawa mo kung saan field ka nararapat at saan mo feel. Na-expose sila sa iba't ibang ecosystem, sa iba't ibang environment, at saka naramdaman talaga nila yung pagod physically at saka kapag-connect sila dun sa nature, which is yun naman yung gusto din namin na dapat lahat tayo, no? May part sa nature at saka makakonect tayo sa kanya.
Iba po talaga yung hands-on experience pagka sila po yung mismo nasa field.
I believe that I am already a living testament of a success story of the CCPP in partnership with the MSCUF, College of International Hospitality and Tourism Management, because looking back last year, I am a representative of CIHTM in UCSC, and now I am a representative of CCPP, which is the affiliate of our department. So I think that's a success story, and I'm very much happy that I am a fresh grad, but sooner or later I'll be on board.
What message would you like to share with our students and future interns who dream of contributing to organization like yours?
For graduating students and the interns, dream big. And your dream should be bigger than what you see in the country. What you see in Quezon, I want you to think global also. And I want you to know that, sabi nga ng isang bangko, you're in good hands, no? From Manuel and Verga, I'll be honest with you, you guys are really in good hands. Your educators, your teachers, leadership team of Manuel and Verga, they're very dedicated in making sure that you guys don't just learn, but you'll have good future. And that's what they're doing. That's why they're collaborating with partners like us. So I want you guys to put that in your mind that there are people who cares for you. We want you to believe in yourself, step up after graduation, and dare to really achieve those goals. And I think if we get to see you be successful, be one of those people who will be so proud and happy for you.
Actually, through this partnership, since bago kami sa Riayan, no, so naging mas maingay yung presence ng URC FLAR sa community through the partnership with MSCUF. And since meron din kaming mga employees na graduate from here, so happy sila na nakakuha kami ng mga employees that is an alumni of MSCUF. Just keep on striving step by step tayo mag-grow sa company. And sana makuha or lahat ng students ng MSEUF is magkaroon ng magandang company na mapapasukan.
Thank you so much for sharing your inspiring stories and for continuing to believe in Enverga University's mission of transformative learning. And thank you so much to our partners for being a part of our journey towards excellence and innovation. Together, we make learning through experience. Because great partnerships happen sa iyo lang!